I'm going to be showing you how to make the most adorable and cutest slime gifts ever for Valentine's Day. I'm totally feeling the Valentine's Day spirit. I've got a lot of pink going on. I've got my little heart-shaped lollipop earrings. They're so cute. I love these so much. These slime gifts are going to be the perfect gift to give to your friends for Valentine's Day, or if you don't want to give them as a gift, you can totally keep them for yourself because they are the most adorable slimes ever. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with them. If this is my first video that you're seeing, then hello, my name is Gillian and I'm so excited that you found my channel, and if you would like to see more videos from me in the future and you haven't already subscribed, then just go ahead and click the subscribe button, and then whenever I upload a new video, you'll be able to see it. So I think it's time that we jump into the video. I hope you guys love these slimes and let's get started. So we're going to start off by decorating our containers that we're going to be putting the slime in. So I just made these cute little labels on my computer and then printed them off on some sticker paper and then cut them out, and I just wrote Happy Valentine's Day because it's Valentine's Day and it's slime. You could also say, will you be my Valen slime? That'd be really cute as well. So here I am just sticking them on top of the containers that I'm going to be using, and these look so cute, and I already know that these slimes are going to be so adorable because the stickers are already like the cutest things ever. So when I see you there with what's your name of the memory. Alrighty, so the first slime that we're going to be making is this incredible rose gold slime, and this is so pretty and so pearlescent, and it's one of my new favorite slimes. It's just the most amazing color ever. So just start off by adding 1 cup of clear glue to a bowl, and then add a little bit of water as well, and then mix these 2 ingredients together until it's all the same consistency. Now for what is going to give our slime that amazing rose gold color, I just took some of this pinky like gold pigment powder and added this to the glue and then mixed it in, and oh my gosh, I love mixing in pigment powder so much because it just makes such an awesome pearly color. You can see it here, it's so shiny and beautiful. So then I'm just adding some activator, and my activator is 1 cup of water and half a teaspoon of borax mixed together, and I'm just adding a little bit at a time and then mixing it together. And you want to make sure that you don't add too much because I find that this slime can become way too rubbery like really quickly, so you want to make sure that you're adding the activator super slowly. And then once you're happy with how your slime is looking, you can start adding it to your cute little containers. So I just sectioned off a little bit of slime and added it to the airtight container and popped the lid back on, and then you have these adorable little gifts. This is the cutest little gift to give someone for Valentine's Day, and you can make a bunch of these and give them to all of your friends. So you can just make like a bigger batch of slime and then like package them all up, and this is so pretty. I love this rose gold slime. Now for my favorite slime. This is the conversation heart slime, and oh my gosh, this is probably the most adorable thing I have ever seen. It's just so cute. It makes me so happy. So the first thing we're going to be making is our little clay conversation hearts. So just take a little bit of oven baked clay in a bunch of different colors, and first I just started off by warming it up with my hands so it's easier to work with, and then just go ahead and roll it out. Now I found this heart-shaped fondant cutter in the craft store, and I was like, that's gonna be perfect. But just like, you can also get like tiny little heart-shaped cookie cutters and things like that. So just start cutting out tiny little hearts, and these are gonna be our little conversation hearts. Then you just want to place them onto a lined tray, and then just follow the instructions on your clay as to how to heat them in the oven. But here you can see I just made a bunch of different colors, and then I just took a red Sharpie and wrote the little sayings on them. So that one was XO, and then I wrote like BFF, just like cute little Valentine's Day sayings that you would see on conversation hearts. Then I also just sealed them with a clay glaze just so that the red permanent marker wouldn't come off in the slime. So just set those aside, and now we're going to make the slime. So add 1 cup of PVA glue to a bowl, and then add about 1 cup of shaving foam as well, and then mix it all together. Now because it's Valentine's Day, I wanted this slime to be a really pretty light pink, so I just added a little bit of pink food colouring, but you could also use acrylic paint, and then just mix it together until you're happy with the colour, and then again, just add a little bit of activator at a time and mix it together until it forms a slime. Now this is an optional step, you can totally keep the slime as is, but I love adding Daiso soft clay to my slimes. It just gives it a really awesome buttery texture. So I just mixed in a packet of the light pink Daiso clay, and here is my massive batch of Valentine's Day slime. It's so much fun to play with, but it's time to package it up into its little containers so it can be given as gifts. So here I am just dividing off a little bit of slime at a time, and then I just took the little conversation hearts and placed a few on top of each slime, and it looks so cute, and then you just need to pop the lid on and you have these adorable little gifts. I think this is the sweetest little Valentine's Day gift. I love how this slime turned out. It's so cute. It's so Instagrammable. I took literally so many pictures of this because it's one of my favorite slimes. I love the pops of color from the little clay conversation arts. And yeah, this slime just makes me so happy. Oh my gosh, how cute were those slime gifts? I love them so much, and I know that whoever you're going to give them to, they're gonna love them. If you enjoyed today's video, you can let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!